I'll always look out for you. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Say I say
Hello everyone! It's been a while since I last uploaded, so please bear with me muna. Today's video is going to be very different from my usual content. This is something I deeply regret, and I just want to share it with you in the hope that it brings awareness. 3 weeks ago, my best friend passed away. Yes, siya yung dahilan kung bakit ako nawala for a while. Let's just call her V for confidentiality. V died from severe gastric ulcer caused by extreme stress and lack of self-care. Then one day, V collapsed. Turns out malala na pala ang internal bleeding niya. Alam kong ang dami niyang pinagdadaanan. Sabay ang part-time job, school, and even family problems. Pero every time magkasama kami, she was always so cheerful. V always tried to motivate me whenever I feel down. Pero kapag siya naman ang may problema, tahimik siya at nakatitig lang somewhere or minsan sa phone niya as if waiting for something. I'd ask if she was okay. Lagi niyang sagot, okay lang ako. Pero now I realize, she wasn't. I knew she was stressed. That's why inaya ko siya lumabas kahit minsan to breathe and free herself for once. At the funeral, I got to talk to V's roommate sa dorm. Napag-usapan namin if either of us had any idea sa pangyayari. But honestly, parehas kaming shocked. Parang bulala. Bigla na lang nawala si V. Sabi ng roommate niya, minsan after school, diretso na si V sa work. Di na rin siya sure kung kumakain pa ba si V nang maayos. Isa pa ay lagi daw nahihilo. One time daw, months before ma-diagnose si V, nakita niya itong nakahiga, holding her stomach, wincing in pain for about ilang minutes rin. This roommate tried to help and even considered to call an ambulance. Pero sabi ni V, okay lang ako, iinom na lang daw niya ng pain reliever. After days, naging weeks, I found myself lagi na lang online, trying to distract myself, trying to ease my mind off kay V. Then one night, I stumbled upon a video. Out of curiosity, pinanood ko.
Avoidant coping is when a person hides emotional pain behind distractions. Smiles, humor, silence, it gives the illusion of strength, but it isolates them even more. And Erickson theory, this leads to isolation instead of intimacy. And that isolation, that's what makes things worse.
It was about avoidant coping mechanism. Our last conversation still echoes in my head. I asked her, V, sure ka ba na okay ka lang? Magpa-check up kaya tayo? She smiled. Oo naman. At saka mag-worry lang lalo sila mama at papa. But the truth is, she wasn't. Who would have thought na ayun na pala ang huli naming pag-uusap? I just finished attending classes. Excited pa ako na weekends na.
Tara, bilis tayo.
Tara, go!
Basketball tayo.
Tara. Kinabukasan, nang malaman ko na V was hurried to the hospital. Too much blood was lost from internal bleeding. It was too late. I made this video not just to grieve, but to speak up for those who never do. Please, check on your friends. Don't wait for signs. Listen between the smiles. To anyone watching this, you don't have to carry everything alone. Please don't say, okay lang ako. If you're not, reach out. Talk to someone. Anyone. For V, I wish we talked more. I wish nakita ko talaga yung totoong nangyayari sa'yo behind that mask. I truly miss you, V.
Pero alam mo, past few days, grabe ka din. Sorry if, minsan cold or busy.
Huwag ka magsasorry. I understand. Alam ko na nakakapagod talaga. Pero thanks for opening up.
family, your work, school, and to top it all off, financial problems. And I understand if this is a lot to handle for you. You can feel restless, or that if you feel like you're drowning, na okay lang naman na pagod. And you know, sometimes being honest with how you really feel is the best thing that you can do. From what you've told me lately, you've been acting like you've been cheerful, happy. You try to appear strong, basically. And you try to act like everything's fine when it's not. And that's not gonna do anything good for you. It's only gonna make you more tired, more stressed, and unknowingly, yung mga taong talagang may mahal sa'yo, nag-aalala lang sila. But just like how you reached out today, how you gave me a chance to help and to understand you, you could do the same with the people that love you. Let them help. Let them do something about it. And you don't have to go through this alone.